Hey, my name's Abby and welcome to Cheap Eats. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a roast chicken dinner for one person. We'll go through this recipe step by step so it's dead easy for you to follow. Let's get to it. First up, you want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Whilst that's preheating, you want to get some water, put it in a pan and season it with salt. So I've got some of water here, some salt, loads of salt. Once you've stirred it, put it on the hob. Whilst that's boiling away, you want to prepare your potato. So simply, just peel it like so. Perfect, look at that. Basically, just cut this potato into little chunks like, ooh, it's hard. There we go. Beautiful. Once your potatoes are all cooked, just whack it in the pan. Leave the potatoes in there for 10 to 12 minutes. Whilst that's boiling away, you want to prepare your meat. I'm using 2 chicken thighs and some streaky bacon. Simply get your thigh and wrap the bacon around the chicken, like this. Dead easy. Ta-da! Once that's done, leave it aside because you'll need to whack it in the oven later. Just wiping my board clean first. Now we're going to drain the potatoes with a colander. Give it a good shake to roughen up the potatoes. Let the potatoes sit in there for a minute to let it steam dry. Grab an oven tray. Get some oil, pour it in, and then whack it in the oven for 5 minutes. Once it's been 5 minutes, take the oven tray out with some oven mitts. Get your potatoes and put it in carefully. I've also got some parsnips, so I'm going to whack them in there as well. They're pre-seasoned, so they're going to be super delicious. Grab your oven mitts again and whack it back in the oven. Leave it in there for 20 minutes and now we're going to prepare some stuffing. Grab your stuffing mix, grab a bowl and then pour it in. This serves 10 people, but I absolutely love stuffing, so I'm just going to use it all. And then you want to add 400 milliliters of water to this and then simply just whisk it up. Mix it up until there's no dry stuffing left. Roll the stuffing balls like this. These ones I made earlier. Super simple. Grab a chunk. Roll it up into a ball. Boom. Now the stuffing's ready, we're gonna get the tray out. You wanna toss these potatoes around. The other sides are gonna be golden as well. Put the stuffing balls in. And then your 2 chicken thighs. This all should fit on one tray. Now we're gonna pop this back in the oven for 40 minutes. Using oven mitts again. 40 minutes is up, let's get the tray out of the oven. This is gonna be really hot, so make sure you don't touch it, be really careful. And then we're just gonna place the Yorkshire pudding in, place it on top, and some garden peas. Voila. Whack it back in the oven for about 5–10 minutes, and then you're done. As that is baking away, let's make the gravy. Just using simple gravy granules, get a jug, and a whisk. Grab your hot kettle water, pour it in. Once that's whisked, set it to the side and wait until the food's ready. All that's left to do is to plate this up. Drizzle it all over the top. Oh, look at that, delicious. Now it's time to drizzle the gravy. And that's it. Thanks for watching this episode of Cheap Eats. Make sure to like and comment if you have any other recipes you'd like us to try. See you soon.